Hi friends, my name is Sushil and welcome to my YouTube channel, Beef Innovative. In today's session, I'm going to introduce to you one of the new financial instrument that is gaining popularity in India, which is the peer-to-peer lending platforms. Uh, this platform has been widely used outside India, specifically in United States, and they have a very huge customer base which is using these particular platforms. Very recently, I think it's in October 2017 that the peer-to-peer lending platforms started getting the NBFC P2P license from the RBI, Reserve Bank of India. And after that, they have been gaining a much popularity because of its widespread usage among Indian population. And now there are so many people who are getting help from this particular peer-to-peer lending platform by taking small amount of money as loan where they don't have to approach bank. So I'll just give a brief understanding about what is peer-to-peer lending, and then also I will show you one of the platforms that I am using to lend money to the borrowers, and how that particular website works. Okay, this video is purely for educational purpose, and any investment into this particular platform should be done after pure research from your side, and it should be your sole discretionary. Okay, so what is peer-to-peer lending? Okay, it's a method of debt financing. Okay, so how you get a personal loan from a bank without any providing guarantee. Same way here, you are requesting for a money as a borrower into the platform, that is peer-to-peer lending platform, and the lender gives money through the peer-to-peer lending platform to the borrower. So with that, the traditional banking system is completely removed from this particular loan application till processing and repayment. Okay, so that is what is called peer-to-peer lending. So one person to one person, or maybe institution to one person. We don't have to go to bank to get loans. So how does this work actually? So there are three parties involved in this particular peer-to-peer lending. So one is the lenders, and second one is the platform, and third one is the borrowers. Okay, so lender will register himself as a investor into the platform, and borrower will register into the platform as a borrower. Okay, so now let's start the start the process from the borrower perspective. Okay, so borrower, he puts a loan request into the London club platform. Okay, and they what they do is like they check this particular profile and they register that loan into the system. Now as a lender, what they do is like they come to this particular platform, they evaluate this particular loan profile. Okay, and if they see that okay, this particular profile is okay and the risk mitigation is within their um, uh, within their predetermined range, then what they can do is like they can give amount to this particular borrower. Okay, so similar to one investor, there might be so many lenders who will be giving amount to the same investor. So if a person is requesting for 5,000 rupees as a loan, and one person is giving 500, so similarly 10 lenders can give 500 each, and that particular 5,000 will get credited to the borrower's account. And if the and similarly what happens is like on a monthly basis, or suppose he has requested loan repayment schedule as 3 months and the rate of interest is 30%. Similarly, that particular principal and interest will come into this particular platform. It will credit back to the lender's account. Okay, so this is how this particular things work. And all this money transaction, everything is handled through the escrow account. So what is escrow account means? It's a third party account which is handled by ICICI Bank in this case. So when you give the money, it goes to escrow account and then it goes to the lender's borrower's account. And similarly, when the borrower pays back the interest and the principal, it goes to escrow account and then it comes back to your account. Okay, so that's how it works. So what are the advantage and disadvantage of peer-to-peer lending platform? So the money can be split in different kinds of loans. So we have different kinds of loans which is available in this particular platform. So it can be personal loan, medical loan, emergency loans, study loan, and so many types of loans are there. And based on accordingly, you have the rate of interest also varying. So the lender can be individual or institution. So if you want to register yourself as an individual, you can do that. But also if you are having a trust or something, and you can register yourself as a trust in that particular platform, and you can give the amount. So it is your decision to lend and invest money, and you get to pick the borrower. So as I said earlier, you can give the amount to borrower with minimum starting minimum as 500 rupees. Okay, you don't have to give a specific high amount to a particular borrower. You can start giving with a very minimum amount of 500 rupees, and also you also get to choose the borrower. So when a borrower registers his loan into the system, he has to give so many information. So you can go to a particular loan and you can see that, okay, what is this particular person's job, how much money is earning on a monthly basis, how is his loan history, how he has done the repayment for the previous loans, current what is his loan repayment schedule for the other loans. So, and what is his credit score, which is very important for when we're looking into the loan thing. So all those things you can check, and then you can pick the borrower. This is a very high risk instrument. Okay, so and the returns are very much higher when we compare it to the banks. That is one of the disadvantages as well, because when it is high rate of interest means high rate of returns. So, and that specifically means your investment is also at risk. That's why I'm saying, when you give loan to one person, do not give more than 500 rupees, right? Because there is a chance of default as well, because it's unsecured loan. So when you give 500 rupees to a person and it is getting payback in maybe 3 months, and maybe you'll get 560 rupees, okay, based on a 30% interest rate, for example. So when you, if that, suppose by any means that particular person is not able to repay that amount, only your risk is 500 rupees. Okay, but when you compare with all the loans that you given, you might get more than 500 rupees as interest, right? So there is chance of default around, as per the current history, the default is around 5%, but compared to your rate of return that you're getting, that is very much negligible. Okay, so I'll just go to the website and I'll show you how these particular things work. Okay, so this is the website for London Club, and we do have other websites in India that provides the facility of peer-to-peer lending. Those are like London Card and Rupee Circle. I find this is much more convincing and supportive, and here we're getting more number of borrowers. So as an investor, I would like to see more borrowers coming in with the loan request, right? So I'm using this particular platform, and so as you see here, there are around 37,000 registered lenders here, and we're getting around 17% of net returns. And also, as I said earlier, so any lending platform in India has to register themselves as NBFC P2P licensed firm. So they have to get registered with the RBI, and also they have to follow all the RBI regulations which RBI has put. Okay, so I'll just go to my profile here. So this is my dashboard, and as you see here, I started around February with around 50,000 rupees, and now my portfolio value is around 61,000. So my net returns is around 11,000, and my net rate of interest is around 22%. So this is my portfolio, and if you see here, in total I have given around 164 loans, and okay, so this is my total investment. So started in February with 50,000, and every month when whatever money I'm getting back as interest and principal, I am again reinvesting. So that's what you find it here. So even if my total amount I have added 50,000, I have given loan of around total loan of around 1,26,000. That's because every month I'm getting back EMI and principal. So the whatever I'm getting, I'm just reinvesting in it. I'm not withdrawing. So that's why you can see here it has total principal is 1,26,000. Total number of loans is 164, and interest received is this much till now, and this is the principal that I received back. Okay, so that's it. And here in this invest tab, you can see all the list of loans that are available, but as of now, all the loans have been funded by the investors, and there is no open loan. So maybe tomorrow morning, when the office hours starts, the Lending Club support team, they will assess all the profiles and they will list all the loan requesters loan requests. So morning it will be getting displayed all the loans, and then that we can start investing again. Okay, now let's go to one of the loans, and I'll show you how to assess a good loan profile. So if I go to this particular loan profile, you can see that what kind of loan is about, and we can see the personal detail of that particular person, and as well, so we can see the professional detail, like what is his job and what is his designation, how many years has been working with, and plus what is his current credit score, and what is his delinquency and default, so whether he has defaulted any particular previous loan or anything. So those kind of details we can see here. So let me just take one of the best loan. So you can see, you can filter out here how that particular loans you want to see. So this is, so you can see this was a medical loan, and this is an existing customer, so he has been taking multiple loans from this particular system. So this existing, you can see here, this person is existing borrower platform, but they availed one loan before, and this one he has repaid successfully. So he has requested for around 10,000, and 15 people have given this money. So some people might have given 500, some people might have given 1,000. So it depends on the people's interest. So this is his job, and this is his monthly income, and this is his credit detail. So he has till date he has taken 5 loans, and all this information is available here. So 5 loans, it's not only from this particular platform, it might be from different platforms, right? So you can see all details, and accordingly you can give the money or lend the money to a particular person. And you can also see that the rate of interest also differs based on the particular credit score and everything. Okay, so this is the way you can assess the particular person's profile and loan profile, and that's it, I think. Okay, so that's a thing I just wanted to show here, and it's very helpful. But as we say, like, our money should keep growing even when we are sleeping, right? So that's why I chose this particular financial instrument. And as an aggressive investor, this should be very much helpful for you if you are ready to take a little bit of risk. And every risk with comes with a high rate of returns. So that's it. So please feel free to ask me if you have any queries or doubts regarding this particular financial instrument. I would be very much happy to help you. So put your comments in the YouTube video. I'll be gladly helpful if you can review my video as well. And please do like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And until we meet again with another set of topic, thank you and happy investing.